Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be doing the next mod on the GOLf GTI, which is a Maxton rear diffuser. It is the quad version and is the V2 as well. They do a V1 which is slightly less aggressive, but the V2 just has larger fins and they stick out a bit more to give it a bit more of an aggressive look. But it is wrapped up, so we're going to unwrap it and then take it outside to fit it onto the car. Alright, so you're going to need a drill bit that fits the hole. This one turned out to be a bit small, so if you can get one that is slightly bigger than the hole, it will just make it easier when you drop the bolts in afterwards. But as long as it goes through, it'll be fine. Next up, you want to jack the car up. Now you could probably get away with doing this without jacking it up, but if you're drilling and getting under the car, you'll probably need a bit of extra space. So just jack it up, and then what we did was held the diffuser to the car to mark up the holes and literally just drilled through. There is 9 holes in there, so just make sure you get every single one. And yeah, then we took the diffuser off and drilled them in properly like this. Alright, so once the holes are in, what you want to do is drop the screws in from the top through to the bottom. We did try to do it the other way around, so the bolts will be hidden at the top, but there was really no space to get there, especially if you've still got the back box on the exhaust on there. It would have been really difficult to tighten them. So we put it through the other way around, and then just held the diffuser up and bolted it on like that. Once it was bolted, we also did use some Loctite. This was just to prevent the bolts from loosening or becoming undone through the exhaust vibrations. So just to be on the safe side, but you probably could get away with not doing that. So yeah, the original bolts do come with like a rubber seal on there, which I think reduces it anyway. But yeah, as you can see, once it's fitted, it does look really nice. Makes it look a lot more aggressive than it did before. Only downside is it makes exhaust tips look quite small. So if you are planning to upgrade your exhaust, 4-inch tips fit it perfectly. And then you can also get the side slats as well, which I haven't got at the moment, but there's always a possibility to add that on afterwards. But yeah, if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Drop a like and also subscribe for more GTI mods. Peace.